Welcome back to my channel. This is Kai from Solo Record. Today I'm going to unbox Robot Multi-Device Guru Master. This is a wireless vertical mouse. It is said that the ergonomic of the mouse gives you more comfort and good for your wrist. With the clear plastic you can see everything inside. Okay, let's open the box. This mouse cost me around $12.5 US. This is the user manual. This is the Robot Guru Master mouse. You can see how weird the mouse shape. This mouse is for a right-handed user. You can see 3 buttons on the left side of the mouse. There are 1 power switch and 1 button at the bottom of the mouse. You can switch to Bluetooth mode or wireless dongle with the button. This is the wireless dongle for the mouse. They already include the battery in the package. Okay, let's try the mouse. It is weird at the first time when you grab the mouse like this. This is a silent click mouse. Beside the left and the right click, the other button make a clicky sound. I don't know why they make it like this. It is smooth when you're moving around. Overall, this is a good quality mouse. You can get the mouse with an affordable price. It is a wireless silent click mouse. It has an auto standby mode when you're not using for a while, so it can preserve the battery. You just need to click one random button to wake it up. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe.